Hey friends! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're building something super cool and modern, an animated share button with a hidden social media menu using just HTML and CSS. No JavaScript needed. Stick around, because we'll break down every step so even beginners can follow along easily. Let's start with the HTML. It's a very simple structure, just a wrapper div with the class btn, a main button element, and another div that holds our social media icons. Here, the button is our main clickable element. The .media div holds the icons from Font Awesome Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Make sure you've included the Font Awesome CDN in your head to use these icons. Now let's move to the CSS. First, we reset the margins and paddings and center everything using Flexbox. This ensures a clean layout, centers our content both horizontally and vertically, and sets a light gray background. Next, we style the .btn wrapper, which acts as a container for both the button and the icons. We use position relative so that the inner elements can be absolutely positioned. The button has a rounded, capsule-like look with a subtle purple shadow to make it stand out. Here's how we design the main clickable button. We center the button with a transform trick and style it with a purple background. Z-index2 ensures it stays above the icons initially. Let's add interactivity. On hover, the button shrinks and moves upward, revealing the icons underneath. This gives the illusion of the button making space for the social media icons to pop in. Now, let's animate the social icons container. The icons are hidden by default with bottom -10 pixels and will animate them on hover. So once the button moves up, the icons smoothly rise into view from below. And there you have it, a clean, elegant share button with interactive social media reveal, all built using pure HTML and CSS. If you enjoyed this UI component and want more tutorials like this, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you have any ideas or questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.